Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your host, Golden Zulu. So today we have been faced with one interesting question under sets. So this question reads to say if A. So we need to understand what kind of braces these are. So if we check, these are what are called closed braces, where these are closed intervals, which means this one is included in its calculation together with 4. So 1 is a member of A. So you have numbers in between here like 2, 3, 1 point something. So all those, they are members of A together with 4. Then when we see this kind of brackets, we have these called the open brackets, also called the open intervals, which means that this 2 is not part of B, but starting from 2.1, 2.001, all those are part of what's this? Are part of B. But 2 itself is not part of B. 8 is not part of B, but beneath it you have 7.99, all those are part of B. Then we have here 3 is part of C, but 6 is not part of C. And the universal set is that find each of the following sets and display it on the number line. So for you now to be able to interpret A intersection B on the number line, what you will do first is you will draw a number line to help you understand what you are trying to do here. So we have drawn our number line. Then immediately now we draw our number line, we need to plot first the universal set. Remember the universal set, they have said it is from number 1. So we'll put these to show that it is a closed interval. We'll put that to show that it's a closed interval 1. Then we can have our 9 here. We'll put that to show that it's our closed interval, which means that this 9 is present in the universal set. Then you have the value for A. So the value for A in this case is 1. Remember, our A is closed interval 1, closed interval of 4 together with our B, which is the open interval 2, 8. Then having done this, A is 1 to 4. So it is the same one. We can assume that 4 is here. Remember, it's a closed interval, so we can say that 4 is there. So from here all the way to there is our A. So let us just wrap this. Let's do that. Let us put a dash. So let's put the intervals here to show that, because if we put our 4, it will show as though it is ending here in the universal set. So immediately we do that, then we can put our A there. Then immediately we have put our A here, we go to our B. Our B is 2, which is here. Then you have 8. 8, we can say that it is there. Remember, these are open intervals. So we'll move from 2 all the way to 8. Since our open intervals, we'll do that. Then we'll put B. Then remember, we are looking for A intersection B. So A intersection B is where these 2 are coinciding, which is there. So this is the intersection of A and what? B. But when you check, 2 is present in A, but 2 is not present in what? In B. So we'll say we'll have A intersection B is equal to, since remember 2 is not present in B, so we'll put an open interval 2, but this 4 is present in B, and the same 4 is present in what? A. So here we'll put a closed interval. So this is A intersection B. But the question doesn't want A intersection B, it wants A intersection B complement, meaning what is outside the complement, which means from here all the way to where the universal set is, and from here all the way to where the universal set was. Then now let us try to interpret. So remember, we said this 4 is present in A, isn't it? So if this 4 is present in this A and also present in this B, which means it will be an open interval. Why? Because it should not be present in the A intersection B. But from here to there, we're having 9 to being present in the universal set. So here we'll put a closed interval. Why? Because this 9 is present in the universal set. And from here all the way to there, we will need to check, was these 2 present in the intersection of A and B? No, it wasn't. So we'll put a closed interval. Why? Because it needs to be present in A intersection B. Then this one is present in the universal set, so it will also be present in the A intersection B complement. So our answer here is closed interval 1, 2, closed interval, then we are having the union set. Why? Because it is both this one and that one. Where from here it is an open interval, of which our open interval here is 4, all the way to 9, and 9 is belonging to the universal set. So we are closing it with a closed interval. Your host, Golden Zulu.